Hello, my name is Savani Swarup. Today we are discussing functions. So this is my first question. We have to make a function in which n and p will be given and we have to return n to the power p. Now this is my code. In this I am taking a double. I am making a power double and I am doing overloading one power double end and one power. So in this function, uh, I am making this function like first one double num will be 1 and I am giving a for loop in which num will be multiplied until it will be p and then the num will be returned. Again, if no argument is given, then n into n will be returned, means n square will be returned. In main, there is a int a and double x and y. Now I am asking a value for a, and now if a number is 2, then the power will be power x y, and if number is 1, if a is 1, then there will be square of the number. Now so my number of arguments are 2. I am giving 3 and 4, so it is the power is 81. The second question is I have to convert hours into seconds. So this is my code. In this there is one function which takes argument as 3 arguments, hour, minute and second, and returns hour into 60 into 60 plus minute into 60 plus second. In main it is asking for 3 powers, 3 numbers, and then it is returning the values. So I am giving this, and the second which is here, it is converted into second. Now my third question is I have to convert seconds into hour. So here so this is my code. In this I am dividing second into 3666 and storing it in hour, then making second to second the remainder of 3600, then I am storing it in minute, and then second will be like this. Now I am printing this like hour, then colon, then minute, then colon, then second. In main I am asking for seconds and I am calling that function, and the seconds will be converted into hours. So 1 second is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is now here it is converted into hours. 0 hours 20 minutes and 34 seconds. Our second question is I have to make a function which swaps the numbers which are given. This is my code in which I have made a function swap, which is first swapping the number integers, in which I have taken an int m which is equal to a, then a is stored in b, then b is again stored in a. Now here I am printing the value here only. Now here I have made a second function which arguments as float. Now in main I have just asked for float or int, then I have taken x and y. Now we are executing it. So if it is float, then I am taking two floats values as a and b. Now see here it is swapped. Now my last question is I have to make a function for pattern. Here I have taken an int b which is equal to n, which is here by default it is 7, and one char which is by default dollar. So one int j. Now here for int I, and which int is lesser than and equal to n, this loop is here. First it will print all spaces and then it will print that character which is passed in this argument. Now in main I am taking the number of rows which I have to print, and the number of and the character which I have to make the pattern. Now here I am calling that pattern. So my program is like this. So first this dollar is printed, and then in second I am putting some value 5 and star. So this is my